In this class we will learn about design intent, which is very important for optimizing modeling in SolidWorks. Come on, let's go. SolidWorks has several tools to accomplish the same task, allowing each user to define their way of work. Therefore, before creating a piece, it is important to think about the best way to create it, which is defined as project intent. There are several important points to consider, for example, modeling a part using the fewest number of features, modeling by manufacturing sequence, modeling in a way that facilitates subsequent changes. Finally, all this must be defined before the start of modeling, allowing you to choose the profile ideal for the beginning of work. Watch this piece. Before we start modeling, we need to define the design intent, that is, what is our goal or need in this modeling. For example, if this part is used in assemblies, it is interesting that it contains fewer features to become lighter. However, there may be a need to exemplify the manufacturing sequence, design for machining or casting. In short, we need to think before defining the initial profile. See this piece created with the profile that contains the greatest number of details, thus decreasing the number of features to define geometry. Note that the piece has all the details, using only one feature. Note now this same piece created to exemplify the manufacturing sequence with material removal, through machining. Note that several features were required to complete the model. Finally, look at the piece drawn with addition of material, in which several features are also used to obtain the piece, and the sketches are quite different from those used in the other two forms of design. That is why it is very important to define the project intent before modeling begins, in order to optimize development. If the important thing for the part is lightness, it is essential to check the reconstruction time by accessing the Tools, Evaluate, Performance Evaluation menu. Other ways to control design intent are equations and configurations, subjects that will be studied further. We saw in this class the importance of defining the design intent before starting the modeling of the part in SolidWorks. Maintaining in this way the reasoning around the initially specified objective.